Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace ink cartridges in a Brother MFC-J5335DW. Now this can be done from the printer itself without involving your computer, and we're going to be concentrating on the right hand side of the machine here in this little hatch. So we'll get a little bit closer. Now to get this hatch open, just get a couple fingers under here, pull it away from the printer, drops down nicely. And getting the cartridges out to replace them is nice and simple. Whether it's Brother Originals or the compatibles like I've got in here, just click it down, slide them on out, get whichever replacement you require, slide them in. Now one thing I will say, regardless of whether you're using compatibles or Brother Originals, they can be quite hard to get into this machine, so you do need to apply a fair bit of pressure to get them to click in. Here we go. And away we go. Now as long as you've got your cartridges from a reliable source, you're safe to apply a reasonable amount of pressure to get that in. Make sure it is aligned and most of the way in. And just have confidence, press that extra force. The machine itself pierces a nozzle at the back when you are applying that pressure, and that's the reason for the extra bit of force being needed. But with that done, we just close them on up. Get that nice click when it's back into place, and you can carry on with your printing. And if you are using compatibles, you'll probably notice a whole series of question marks appear down here. Click in, check the ink volume. You still get a rough estimate, and I'm not sure why this is completely necessary, but unfortunately it's something they've done. But it's nothing that actually removes your ability to print, just something to bear in mind if you are indeed using compatibles. But that's it for now. Thank you for watching. If you found this useful, please do give us a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.